In this video tutorial, you will learn how to export IEC 61850 data definition CID file using Smart Monitor. To export a CID file containing a description of the device configuration according to the IEC 61850 standard, connect to the IED via the Smart Monitor software as per the video tutorial IED communication settings with PC. Next, go to the Smart Monitor menu and select Export SCL file. In the opened window, set the path for saving the CID file. By default, the name of the saved file consists of the IED name. Before generating the CID file, we recommend changing the name of the IED displayed in the generated reports and protocol files of the IEC 61850 standard. To do this, go to the section Settings, Digital Communication Channels. Next, in the Communication Protocols tab, go to the 61850 parameters. Before changing the parameters, log in with the appropriate rights. Then change the value of the parameter IED name. Write the changes made to the IED. For more information about writing changes to the IED, see the video tutorial on operating ED2 devices changing the settings. Comparison of setting groups. Similarly, you can set the device name in the configurator software. If the menu item Export SCL file is not available, it means that 61850 is not added in the Communication Protocols tab. If necessary, it can be added via the configurator software. To learn how to do this, see the video tutorial GUS MMS Protocols of IEC 61850 standard. If necessary, the CID file can be opened for viewing in a special program, such as IED Explorer. The CID file can also be used to integrate devices into the process control system. Additionally, the CID file can be obtained from the generated archive files for sending to the manufacturer. The archive is formed through the Smart Monitor software or directly from the IED using a USB flash drive. How to do this, see the video tutorial on operating ED2 devices generate files for sending to the manufacturer. In the generated archive, go to the directory to mail and find the CID file with the device name specified in the configuration. In addition to the CID file from the IED, you can also download a report in XML format containing a list of all IED signals with their addresses in the IEC 61850 data model. To do this, go to the Reports menu and select Protocol Data 6185008-1. In the window that opens, specify the path to save the file. By default, the name of the saved report consists of the IED name with a note signal. This video tutorial is over. We hope it was useful to you. Thank you for your attention.